Hi friends, this is Deanna here today, and today we're going to be making this cute, easy headband. The great thing about it is that you can use any fabric that you're working with in any project that you want to match it with, and it is so easy to make. So let's get started. So to be able to make this, we need a headband, a flat headband. You can find on Amazon, you can find anywhere really. This one is just an old headband. You need some fabric that is going to match your project. Like if you make a dress or something like that, this would be so cute. And I am cutting it 20 by 4.5 inches. So 20 inches long by 4.5. And then I've got these two little pieces are each 2 by 2. So 2 inches by 2 inches. So that's all you need. You need a hot glue gun and a sewing machine. But if you don't have a sewing machine, you can still do this with your hot glue gun. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to sew this into a tube. And I'm going to do that with my sewing machine by grabbing it and facing it right sides together and sewing that raw edge. Now, if you, again, this is where if you don't have a sewing machine, you can go ahead and hot glue it together. You would just overlap it and hot glue that overlap together. But for me, since I have a sewing machine, it's easier to just sew it. I'm gonna go sew that up right along that long edge. I have sewn on a 1/4 inch seam allowance. All right, now we're going to go ahead and flip that over. All right, once that's flipped over, you'll see you have your line here where it is sewn in the back. We're going to grab our end and we're just kind of fold it into itself. So it's kind of just folded here, and we're going to stick that here at the bottom. So it kind of wraps a little bit around. So we're going to do that by adding some hot glue. So we're going to add hot glue here at the bottom, and then we're going to add some hot glue all the way around the top of the band. We're going to leave a little space here, about 2-inch space, where we're going to be adding our knot. So I'm just going to do that first side first. And attach it. Just right down the middle where that line is. All right, so there is the other side of my fabric, and we're just going to twist it on itself. So bring it under, around, and twist, and then pull. And you don't want it too tight. You want to kind of fluff it out so it's going to cover the whole band. And at the other side is going to be that seam is going to be on the inside, not on the outside. So this is what it's looking like now. So now we're going to add some hot glue to the other side of the band. And go ahead and hot glue the other side. Here at the bottom, remember we're folding this in a little bit to kind of wrap it around. That looks so cute. Okay, now this top is kind of loose. You don't want to tack it down because you don't want it to be flat. You kind of want it to be up, so you kind of fluff it up a little bit. Okay, now here at the end, we're going to grab these squares. We're going to fold it in, and we're going to fold the two sides in on themselves. Because what we're going to do with this is going to get down here. We're going to hot glue it down here to be the piece that kind of holds it together here at the bottom. So I'm going to fold it kind of in half again right here down the middle. And I'm going to add some hot glue, and my hot glue is kind of spilling everywhere. This is an old glue gun I've had for too many years. And then we're going to glue it here at the bottom. And then we're gonna flip it around and bring it over to the back and hot glue it here at the back as well. You may need to add a little bit of extra glue there to hold it tight. It's spilling, it's going. Fold it. Add your sticky glue, hot glue. Place it here where it's bent at the end and wrap it around. Y'all, this hot glue gun has seen better days. I need a new one. Now you just remove all the hot glue gun stickers. All right, there we have it. Your new band. It's so cute. I'm gonna put it on and show you. All right, there you have it. Here is my headband finished. I think it looks adorable. I have more of that fabric. I'm gonna be making myself a dress to match the headband. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't so you don't ever miss any of our tutorials. You can find me on Instagram where I show a lot more of the behind the scenes of what's going on here. And go make some. And if you do, tag me on Instagram or on Facebook or comment below and let me know. I would love to hear all about it and see your pictures. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time.